Atongoi Ulei Matongoew'e ni Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Nimaumania Undu Silikali Yithiitwe Yikua Aandamani Vala Meumiweta Yithiitwe Yitula Miao na Kutwaiisya Uvuku Maineenea nzawa Kanisa wa Holy Family Basilica Musini wa Ilovi Kiokoni cha Umunthi Atongoi Nimatangaasa Kukwata Mbau maandamano Amuika Gen Z makulikana nyanya mo alama tione thayo kumana na maandamano mwaka muvitu makuliana na mutalatala wa Ilovi wa Finance Bill 2024 lina Sangi no Kutwaiisya.
Onena kavindani kale Atongoi sindongo isyangale kwa ulenzi ni wameachani wa malilika na Amuika moise madhayo mwaka muthelu Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nuwetieta Musyi ta ukuelewa wo wa Amuika na Vala wanaitina wa mamo kuwa wa makukite Atongoi mwailu bikiasu Atongoi ula wivoni wa kithoi kumatekanyara Amuika mekukilia wa sekuliana na Atongoi onaingi kuwa wa Vala Kalonzo kueta muthenya ta ukethia lilikana Amuika maise madhayo kila mwaka.
William Ruto called them treasonous people. They are committing acts of treason and therefore no sympathy for them. They are rightfully angry, but we want to plead with them because we have seen some of those social posts. Some saying that if they die, then they do not want something 2 million shillings or 3 million shillings. They are resolute. Now that anger cannot be ignored. It needs to be nurtured. And we want to assure them that as their parents, we understand their pain. So we want to reiterate that even if they deny us today the possibility of going outside Parliament, the main entrance to Parliament, and lay wreaths there, I can tell you in the years to come, this is clear in my mind, in the years to come, this will be celebrated as a national holiday, properly, with people able to come to Parliament and without let or hindrance, without having this heavily armed policemen, armed to kill their own citizens. What a shame.
And his government. The least you kill these children. They were unarmed. Today they are coming unarmed to commemorate, to remember their brothers, their sisters, their fallen colleagues. The least you can do is allow them to commemorate, allow the families to mourn. But for you to unleash the heavy security we are seeing here today and the goons that we know have been mobilized and on their way to this town is really adding insult to injury.
Nivala kulia Kenya kuendea kukilia uwase wo kuliana na Atongoi wako makililia na kumavinye nenzi maoto la serikali Muti kwa kila Meumiweta tamaukia Amuika kwa kutumia vinya muvitu kukusia miachaneo ya mouo wala Amuika kwa utamasi madhayo mo kwesuo.
Continue these abductions because one young man, for example, just sends a post, right? Then they're afraid. They're afraid. They're so afraid that they have to escape from the city. It's so amazing, so amazing. So we continue to call out on abductions.
To stop being paranoid. They need to stop this fear. We are unarmed. You've seen us here. We are unarmed. But if you go outside the roads there, these are very heavily armed police officers.
The least that the leadership, entire leadership of Parliament can do is to join all of us to go and lay those wreaths in honor of those children.
Musyini ni uvitu kanuna Miao isesese unyaikia wa Uvuku idho ivatiwe kutangaasa ima kwa ima miachaneo ya suo itambia Yikua na moe kuonene serikali taikuendo uvithanya Uvuku wayo. Good report ya vlingu wa Mauvu Nilina Mosangi.